How did you put yourself in a position for that lucky thing to happen?
We wrote a lot of blogs. We shared what we were working on. We worked in the open source. We talked about our science, and we built a reputation as the people who really cared about efficiency and cost and the people who might actually be able to do this. We talked very frequently about what we were up to. And that was a lesson we had learned early on where I don't think we talked frequently enough, but we wrote lots of blogs. When we were working on a project, we would write part 1 of the blog as soon as we hit a milestone. We wouldn't wait for the project to be done and then do part 2 and part 3. And those MPT models were actually, I think, part 4 of like a 9-month blog series on training LLMs from scratch. That got Repli's attention much earlier and started the conversation. Maybe one way of looking at it, if you want to be cynical, is selling ahead of what your product is. But I look at it the other way, which is to show people what you're doing and convince them that you're going to take that next step. And they want to be there right at the beginning when you first take that next step because they want to be on the bleeding edge.